Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to an episode of Dreadlocks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be talking about Playboi Carti's dreadlocks. There's a lot that has been changing about his hair. Not only has he dyed it, but there's a lot of interesting things going on that I've seen, and we're going to be taking a look at that today. But before we get into it, make sure to comment down below who you guys want to see next on the channel. I've definitely been taking all your recommendations into consideration. Hey, that was a quick bar. Like Polo G, Jada Youngin, NLE Choppa. There's all these people that you guys have requested, but I definitely want to thank you guys for recommending these people, because I'm just really glad that you guys enjoyed these videos, because these videos are for you guys. Not only be able to see how to get your dreadlocks like these people, but just for entertainment as well. I also wanted to mention really quickly, if you follow Dreadlocks on Instagram, you can be featured on the page, the channel, and the website. So make sure to follow us and tag Dreadlocks on Instagram if you want to be featured on all three of these. I wanted to quickly mention that the Dreadlocks community is growing, and it's really cool to see how far we've come, because we've seen, if you guys are OGs, you remember when it was Guns Locked, and it was just kind of all about me, and I didn't want it to be all about me. I wanted to include everybody in it. So Dreadlocks is not only just me, but it's a community. It's not just myself running it, but it's everybody running this thing. And it's way bigger than just us individually, but it's us as a whole. And it's really cool to see how far we've come, because we're already at 11.5 followers on there. And not only just looking at followers, but people that are tagging Dreadlocks and being featured, and just seeing the community grow and seeing like familiar faces. Like, it's really cool to see. So it's a community. And one thing that I'm actually thinking about is creating a Facebook page. If you guys are actually on Facebook, I'm not really on there, but if you guys are on there, we can create a Facebook page and we all can communicate on there. It'd be cool to be able to do that. But just let me know in the comment section down below. Just comment in all caps, Facebook page, and then we'll get one going. But you guys, let's look at Playboi Carti's dreadlocks. Just to recap on Playboi Carti, his hair type is a 4A. He possibly could be peeking into a 4B, but it's most likely a 4A with his hair type. And the reason I always list off hair types is because the hair type is always a hint to how they started off their dreadlocks. Because with each hair type comes a different method with how to actually get your hair locked up. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, just click the "What is my hair type" link down below, and you'll be able to see not only your hair type, but a method and maintenance to go along with your hair type in order to get your dreadlocks, to be able to maintain them, and to be able to keep them and make them look really good. Even today, without knowing that he actually started out with freeform, it looks like he started out with freeform and then eventually got into, twisting and maintaining his hair. So the way I'll break it down is this. He started out with freeform dreadlocks. So freeform is allowing your hair just to freely form. It does its own thing, which is very easy with the 4 hair types. You could even say from like 3A to all the way to the 4s, but 4s will definitely lock up quicker with freeform. Now with him starting out with freeform and then going on to like a twisting hair type or any type of maintenance is always really interesting. But regardless, by looking at his dreadlocks, he most likely twists his hair with gel, probably Jamaican Mango and Lime or some other hairstyle gel. But typically with dreadlocks, you would want to use Jamaican Mango and Lime because it works really great. And that's actually the product of the day, but I'll talk about that a little bit later. One thing we noticed that he's done lately is he's dyed his hair, he bleached it. One thing that I personally always see when people bleach their hair, like with Young Thug or anybody else who has bleached their hair, like it looks like his hair is like super damaged after doing the bleaching process. Almost like his hair is thinning out, like we seen with Lil Wayne. But it's really interesting to see the bleaching process with dreadlocks, especially if you bleach the whole head. Some people that bleach their hair, it looks fine. Like Jimmy Got Soul, her hair looks great. And then there's other people to where it's like, what happened to your hair? Did you bleach it too long? Or what really happened to make your hair look like thin or look like it's kind of losing strength? But we won't even get into that. If you want to get your hair bleached like his, all you got to do is bleach it. You can either go to a salon or you can do it yourself. And I would definitely recommend to go to a salon, especially if you're bleaching your dreadlocks and you want to keep them. Go to a salon or watch a bunch of videos and learn how to actually do it yourself, because that is something that can really make or break your dreadlocks. But besides the blonde hair now, we see that he's actually been doing a bunch of 2-strand twists, and it almost seems like he just keeps it in the 2-strand twist from looking at his Instagram posts. And from him going from freeform to twisting with gel to 2-strand twist, which you could do a 2-strand twist with the Jamaican Mango and Lime locking gel as well. Knowing all this, we're gonna go ahead and hit on the product of the day, which is the Jamaican Mango and Lime locking gel. A link to this is going to be down below, but you can find it on Dreadlocks.com as well, along with other locking gels, varying in prices depending on what you guys plan on spending on your hair, and also the quality of everything. I know that me personally, I like the Jamaican Mango and Lime because it doesn't leave buildup or residue, and it really rinses out very well when you get to the point of actually washing your hair. And the way it smells is great, and I think the biggest thing is like what I said, just it washes out very well. But you guys, this is the product of the day, and if you go to Dreadlocks.com, you can find a list of all other products that will help you guys out that have been tested by me and hundreds of thousands of other people that have tested out these products. And if you made it this far in the video, please don't forget to go check out Dreadlock on Instagram, follow us and give us a tag, because we will definitely feature you on the page, channel, or the website. And join that community because it is a family and it's really cool to see the family grow. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.